Kids, today we do 30 words from letter K. So let's get started. K is for kitten. Kitten. K is for koala. Koala. K is for kite. Kite. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for krishna. Krishna. K is for knitting. Knitting. K is for king. King. K is for night. Night. K is for kids. Kids. K is for keyboard. Keyboard. K is for key. Key. K is for knife. Knife. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. K is for kennel. Kennel. K is for kiwi bird. Kiwi. K is for kitchen. Kitchen. K is for knee. Knee. K is for ketchup. Ketchup. K is for kick. Kick. K is for kettle. Kettle. K is for karate. Karate. K is for knot. Knot. K is for kidney. Kidney. K is for kidney bean. Kidney bean. K is for kindergarten. Kindergarten. K is for kale. Kale. K is for killer shark. Killer shark. K is for kit. Kit. K is for kayak. Kayak. K is for kilogram. Kilogram. If you like my video, then you can like and subscribe my channel. Follow for more.